If you want to be a good communicator, if you want to be a good speaker, consistency is so important, not only in this field, but if you want to become an expert in any other field, consistency is the main point which you should follow every single day. Now, you know that you have to practice every single day, but you might not know what are the tasks or what are the steps which you should do in order to improve your communication skills. So I'm going to tell you what are that 4 daily tasks which you should do every day with consistency without even leaving a single day. Hello there, what's up people? It's me Jara. You're watching me on the Expound. Let's get into the video. First point is try to avoid distractions. You will only be able to communicate well if you try to avoid distractions while you communicate. So I'm sure that when you are working or when you are just simply sitting in your house, you will be distracted by one or the other thing. Suppose for example, if you're studying, you will be disturbed by your mobile phones, or if you are working on something, you will be distracted by people, or at that specific time one or the other thoughts will strike to your mind that okay, I was doing this stuff yesterday, so did I do it correct? So these kind of random thoughts will come to your mind and you will be somehow disturbed. You should try to avoid that. This task is so simple. You don't have to stress for this. You don't have to struggle also for this, because you will just try to avoid the distractions while you're doing normal things in your house. This task will really help you in improving your communication skills. Second point is listen to music and sing along. I'm sure that you might be having mobile phone and a headphone. Just plug it in and just play some random English songs and start singing along with the song itself. This is fun. This is a stress reliever, because when you hear the music, the stress will automatically go away. So at this time, this will improve your pronunciation also. This will be able to tell you what exactly the context of English is. This is also just like a normal or steps which you just have to do every single day, and you don't have to struggle or stress for this also. So if you are a beginner who is just starting to learn things, you can just go to any of the kids channel which is easily available in YouTube and just start hearing their songs. For example, channels like Infobells, Schoolhouse Rocks, etc. This will help you in building your communication skills, because they won't go so fast and speed of the song is going to be quite low, and you can easily understand that. If you are in an intermediate stage, you can go for some of the top 4 Billboard songs or some of the top 40 charts. You can just pick one of the song there and you can continuously start hearing that, and you can start singing along with that song also. And if you are an advanced person, you can just start listening to the songs such as rap songs, because the rap songs, the songs are going so fast and you should be able to understand each and every line. Then only you are an advanced speaker. Wait. Since you have reached this far watching my video, thank you so much. And I just want a little favor from you. I just want you to go below this video and just click the subscribe button and that bell icon, so that you will get any updates whenever I post regarding communication skills, public speaking and English speaking. So if you have any other doubt, feel free to comment it down below so that I will be able to give you that response. The third point is teach people. Whatever you know, just start teaching people. Everybody think that if you want to learn something, you have to listen to people who teaches you. But that's totally not true, because when you try to explain it to some other people, you actually understand it better. I have also experienced this, because when I started teaching to people, now I came to know that this is the best way to get more knowledge. So it's not necessary that you just have to know many things, then only you can teach other people. Whatever you have it in your brain, whatever general knowledge, basic knowledge you have, you can start teaching to other people. So this will definitely improve your communication skills, because you are expressing your ideas in the form of a language. You are speaking it in English. So that will definitely improve your communication skills. So when you are going out, when you are talking or discussing with other people, you will definitely get it. And the final point is, talk with pen in your mouth. Yeah, you might think this is such a weird technique. Why is she telling to, keep the pen in our mouth and then talk? We won't be able to talk it clearly. You might think that, but you actually don't know what and how it can help you in improving your communication skills. So just take an example that you are talking to some person and suddenly you get a distraction from somewhere else. So at this time you will definitely be distracted. That is the same thing which you are experimenting when there is a pen in your mouth. So suppose if there is a pen in my mouth, I will know that there is some distraction. There is some distraction which is stopping me to talk. At this time, you will realize that how to manage with people when there is distractions. So I hope this will definitely help you. You should definitely try this every single day without giving any excuses. If you make more excuses, the less you will learn. So just start these 4 tasks right now, right from today. You will see the improvement yourself. Thank you so much. Until the next video. Bye.